Okay, folks, to add to the list of don't buys from Fasttech is the Helio stainless steel rebuildable dripping atomizer. The reason that you don't want to buy this one is almost like the reason that you don't want to buy the Phoenix Nimbus 2. Okay? And that is because this ring right here is not adjustable. I have tried everything but a pair of pliers, and I don't want to mess up the finish on this. I don't know if this ring right here is a press-in ring. The knurled section here is a press-in fit, or if you're supposed to be able to turn it and adjust it. Okay, if it is just a press-in fit, they got it wrong. They put these 3 holes here, and if you look inside and get a light, I'm gonna have to do this over again. See where the holes are on the ring? The hole right there. So I'll stick my fingernail right there. Right there. Right there is where the hole is on the inside. What the hell? What the hell? Also, just like with the other one, the air hole is way too high. It's over the highest post. Way over it. I would guess that by eyeball to be an 1/8 inch from the top of the positive pole, which is the tallest pole in there. I don't get it. It's not right. Okay, so again, save yourself some money and don't buy this crap, because you're not gonna like it. There's almost no draw at all. Thanks for watching.